can change it to any font of your choice. Okay, what I like, you can use of stylish font. Where are they? Where are they? Alright, let me make use of this to bring it down here. Alright, so you just save your file. Always make use of Ultra to get better quality. Okay, so I will be moving straight to Photopea now. Okay, so let's just quickly do that. Photopea, so click on file, click on open, locate where your stuffs are. So I will be dropping 5 mockup for this very patch design. Okay, 5 mockup, 5 different mockup. If you notice where I opened this one from, we have 5 there, so I will be dropping the 5 in one folder, so you download them and make use of them for your own personal use. So just click on your layer from the top here, click on smart objects, click on open, and here is our design. So what you do now, go back to your file, click on open and place, then you locate the design we just made now from Pixel Lab. Here is it. So if you watch now, it match exactly the size of the canvas. So click here to delete the old one. Okay, so go back to your file, then you save smart object. Okay, then you click on your mockup, and here is it. So we successfully designed the phone patch. So this is how you get your phone patch design. Okay, so you can just make the design, take it to printing press, and they will do it for you like this. They will get it print on your phone patch for you. The cost price of this particular stuff we just demonstrated, if you want to print it out, is 7,000, 7,500, as the case may be, depending on where you are getting your materials from. So that's all for now. This will be the end of this today's tutorial. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload new videos you can get new videos, okay, new updates about our videos. So thank you, we love you all, bye for now. So you save your file, just click on export as, then select JPEG, which is the second one, then you increase it to 100, then you save. So you can see the name here, free iPhone 11 Pro cover 5, you can see it here. So you just download it, and that's all for now, bye.